legit na katabi na. Ay, putik na yan. Pero ito yung mga legit and authentic na tayo. Nasa tabing ano lang. Dami niya as in. After nun, nagkaligaw-ligaw pa kami sa airport. Then, nagpa-exchange kami ng pera namin from peso to baht sa basement ng airport. And then from that, nag-bolt kami papunta dito sa Asia Hotel Bangkok. And now, I'm officially starting the vlog as day 1. So, today, ang itinerary natin is magta-temple tayo. Mostly temple day, yung first half ng araw natin. And then the second half is dedicated for the cafe hoppings na meron na rin kami listahan. And I think I'll just share that one to you guys, yung buong itinerary namin for this trip somewhere. Basta isisingit ko yan. So, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So, if you wanna know more about Thailand, Bangkok, this 2024, keep on watching. Bye! This is day 1 outfit. Madam Kate is dressed and naliligaw. Ang bag namin ay blue, white, black. Ang dami pa namin colors for this day. Here guys, and we're looking for outfit. Isa siyang hilera, marami siyang streets na pwede ka mag-rent ng costume, so we're gonna do that. Photographer. So, I'm done. So, medyo mabilisan ang mga pangyayari, guys. Parang kanina naguhubad lang ako, tapos biglang ngayon, I'm done. So, as in, ano to, bra at panty lang, ganong labanan. But it's cute. I had blue. Grabe, kita pa yung tan line ko. So, kung magkano to, nandito kami sa Bungad. Siya na yung pinakamura sa nakita namin. It's just 150 baht with free hair na and accessories and everything. As in this full look. Tapos, nag-rent din kami ng photographer for an hour. It's 2,500 baht. Pero, natawaran niya kami na everything all in 2,000 baht. So, I'm not sure kung mura ba yun, but that's 4,000 guys. Here's Aya with the nude. Okay, we're entering Wat Arun with our payo. So cute payo. It's 200 baht per person. So we already paid entrance. They have free water, guys. So, ang hirap, ang daming dala. So, huwag na kayong magdala ng masyadong daming anak-anak dito. Though, pwede mong iwan yung gamit mo doon sa pinagrentahan mo na to together with your clothes. Kailangan yun. Parang yun yung deposit mo. Yung damit mo. So, gonna start na with the vlogger, with the photographer. Guys, isa lang masasabi ko. Ang init.
ang talagang gagawin lang namin dito ay mag-shoot. And then, next temple na lang namin appreciate yung temples. So ngayon, mag-picture na lang muna. So ito yung famous na temple dito sa Wat Arun. It's like the Cambodian style ng temple nila. So picture pa din. Guys, sobrang init. Good afternoon, guys. So it's already... Wala pang afternoon. Ay, wala pang afternoon. It's only 11:08 a.m. and we're already done with the shoot. Pero sobrang nakakapagod siya, as in, lalo na yung init. Sobrang nakakapagod. So, good thing is merong parang mini cafe dito sa gilid. And actually, may nahanap ko yung ice cream na parang temple shape. I wanna try that as well. But, papahinga muna kami kasi sobrang nakakapagod. Nakaka-drain yung init. Parang wala pa kaming 2 hours dito ata. Pagod na ako. Yan. So, I hope the pictures are good kasi nakakapagod siya. And, for the price, medyo mahal siya. Parang total 4K, 4-5 pesos. In pesos yun. Kasi 250 baht kami all in all. So, ayun. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video kasi nakakahaggard. Tip lang pala, wag na kayo magdala masyado ng gamit, or if may dala kayo, ipaiwan nyo na lang doon sa pagre-rentahan nyo ng outfits nyo kung mag-outfit kayo, kasi sobrang hassle. Ang dami mong bit-bit. Meron kang payong, meron kang clutch, may phone ka, mag-vlog ka, sobrang hassle. Tapos may water naman, may free water, though actually naging hassle pa siya for us kasi hawakan mo siya, ganon. And mainit talaga sobra. So, bring towel as well. Nagdala ako ng towel, pero di ko naman dinala dito. So, ayun. Anyway, we're just waiting for a drink. Ito siya sa stall. And like, ayan lang siya. Small stall. At itong aking mga pagod na frenolines. They are so tired. But, they're not. We're not. We're gonna get our drink. Thank you. We're gonna try it. Feeling ko para siyang butch. So, dyan ata nagdadasal. Pwede kang magbigay din ng donation. Tapos may ino-offer sila ng mga yellow thingy. Parang offering place. Team Buddha. And then I think ito yung sa government nila yung nasa, ito yung president or king, tapos malamang wife na siguro yun, the Buddha. Tapos meron silang designated prayer area for the monks, yung elevated area na yun. And grabe the details on the structure, like hand painted lahat, you know. I don't know if you can see that clearly. That's all hand painted. And the friendships.
Dahil yung Wat Arun, ito kami nang galing. Pagkatapos namin ibalik yung loads namin, pumasok kami ulit ng Wat Arun to ride the boat. Tapos across lang kami kasi tatawid. What po na? So, if you're planning to have like, yung mga along the river lang na mga trips, pwede kayong mag-boat na lang instead of mag-boat or mag-grab kasi umiikot yung boat and grab pero dito you're really just directly, the river. So, mas madali. So, feeling ko, saka mura. Yun, mura talaga. And the boat is big, in fairness, malakas siya. At walang amoy. Hindi na tulad sa Pasig River.
Having Thai milk tea. This is 99 baht. Medyo mahal siya in peso. Go! Oh, yum, yum, yum. Tuk-tuk experience. change places. We're at the Grand Palace now. Sobrang laki niya. Mukhang as in ang laki. I cannot. Sa side ng mga palaces, may mga stalls where you can buy stuff. May food, may souvenir, may restaurants. Ayan. So, in direct.
Hi guys, so pauwi na kami ng hotel. Di na kami natuloy dun sa dalawang temple kasi medyo mahal siya. Yung may reclining Buddha, nasa 300 baht siya. So that's 600. Tapos yung Grand Palace, mas malaki siyang temple. Tapos 500 baht siya. So makaka 1.6 ka pa sa dalawang temple na yun. Pero kung matagal ka naman kasi doon, sulit siya, but kasi kami, may pupuntahan pa kami afterwards and it's already magpo-4 na actually, 3 or 4. So, mag-freshen up kami, balik muna kaming hotel, tapos tsaka kami magka-cafe. Pagod na yung dalawa doon sa record. Aircon is a must. So, nag-taxi na kami, guys.
We're back at the hotel. So, nakaligo na ako. Ayun, nabot kami ng 2 p.m. So, pahinga lang kami saglit. So, mga around 3:30 siguro kami makakaalis dito to go to After the Rain and Bubble in the Forest. So, malapit lang din siya dito sa Bangkok. It's actually just 30 minutes away nang walang traffic. So, hindi ko alam kung ngayon siya. Kung maluwag-luwag. But, yun na yung pinaka-event namin. And, update. So, So, medyo nakatulog ako doon. Ang sarap ng tulog ko. I feel so energized. Anyway, let's go. Mabilis lang tayo dito sa After the Rain. 3, 4, 3. So, yeah, the iconic boat. Okay, so nandito na kami sa After the Rain. Medyo madami rin tao, pero hindi siya super crowded. So, it's a good place to go to. Kailangan, meron lang silang requirement na at least dapat mga 100 baht ka na food dito sa restaurant. Then, yung boat is free na. So, not bad kasi yung food naman nila is mukhang yummy. But, sabi ko nga, dito magdi-drinks lang muna kami. This is their food. So, syempre, mas mahal siya. Here, masaya sila sa drinks. So, let's get one. Another tiring day, but we're off to the next cafe, Bubble in the Forest. So we're just waiting for our taxi going there. Pag-uwi pa kami.